Hello traders, today is the last trading day of the week, Blessing Friday, and most of my traders bank amazing profit. As you know, today was the NFP news, and let me share with you how I analyze and help them to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD chart, and if you look at the 4 hour, we are short the whole week. If you haven't seen my this previous analysis review, video link is also given in the video description. So beginning of the week, we were short here. As you can see here, even today, we were short here. Price nicely broken, especially when we see the price develop bearish engulfing candle pattern. And we have taken a short trade here, and news, NFP news is also supported. The figures was good for the dollar. As you can see here, nice short trade here. Most of the traders bank amazing profit all this pullback. Let me share with you guys intraday analysis, how I analyze the entries in an exit. If you look at this morning, as explained to my trader, we have a very strong bearish momentum, and the trend or bias was short, and as explained to my trader, price broken this recent low, so expecting a pullback short and possibility of scaling trade continuation, another short trade here. As you can see here, exactly as mentioned here, the price nicely came back and retest, pullback and scaling trade, another short trade here, and afterwards you can see the news. After the news, we have another pullback short trade here. So you can see here with amazing trades, and then afterwards, after the news is explained to my trader, because we have this one big short trade here. Explain, as long as the price gonna be staying below this level, look for first priority would be the pullback. As you can see here, price developer pullback, and beautiful. As soon as the price respected the previous low, explain to my trader, it's time to bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. And afterwards, as you can see here, the price develop another falling wedge, and that's what I explained to my trader. That's the sign of reversal. So let's see if the price is going to break, because if you look at here, the way we look very in depth the price move. If you look at here, the price develop a double bottom at this level, then price broke on this one. After this breakout, price retest, and that's give us the confirmation possibility of reversal. And if you look at here, we have a falling wedge and beautiful breakout. First target always be the fib channel, which is, you can see here, this is the counter trade, bank few PPs. And once the price broken, retest, that's what I explained to my trader, look for another pullback. So beautiful. As soon as the price hit this level, explain to my trader, just close your position before the market close. So we bank beautiful pips on EURUSD. Let me share with you guys in cable. We had amazing trade, guys. You can see here, we were short beginning of the week. We short day before yesterday, as soon as the price respected. But if you haven't seen my previous analysis video, link is given in the video description. So this morning, as explained to my trader, that look for, if the price gonna break this level, then possibility of pullback short here, even though the news supported as well. As you can see here, we have very strong bearish candle. Let me share with you how I analyze entries, and that was a beautiful trade, guys. If you look at this morning, we have a pretty straightforward. We have this consolidation, which is we are looking a breakout. If you look at here, this consolidation sideways market, which is this way, sideways market in 4 hour. So as soon as the price break, you can see the momentum bearish. And the most important thing in our intraday system, once the price break the previous low and the price retest, this give us the confirmation. And afterwards, as you can see here, all this pullback. So bank amazing profit once the price hit this level. Explain to my trader, it's time to bank some profit and wait for another pattern. Even the news was good for the dollar. As you can see here, this is the news reaction. After the news reaction, pretty straightforward. This is the low, price broken, so expecting a pullback short trade here. You can see here, price develop another pullback, another pullback, another pullback. As soon as the price develop another pattern, exactly like the EURUSD, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see here, we had amazing trade on pound dollar, and the dollar CAD we also had amazing trade. Let me share with you guys. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, rest of the week we were short, but today we were long here. Let me explain to you guys how the way we look at the market. We also have this rejection, and we were expecting a pullback at this level, and as you can see, we haven't seen any pullback. So price develop of this one is a false breakout. That's the good sign. Then another level was this one, which is broken this morning. That's what I explained to my trader. We have this false breakout. That's the good sign, this one. So if the price is going to develop another pullback in intraday at this level, then we are expecting a long trade here, and our target would be at least this level, which is, you can see here, the price respected here, and then we're looking at short trade at this level, counter trade. So we have taken this long, we also have taken this counter short trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market at this level in intraday. If you look at the intraday analysis, as you can see here, we were long here this morning, just before the London Open. The price developed a sideways market, as you can see here, exactly at this level, right? And what happened here? Price nicely broken, momentum was bullish. After this breakout, pullback, another deep pullback. You can see here, such a nice beautiful long trade here. So we banked this profit, amazing. And then afterwards we have another pullback here, as you can see here. We always look towards the trend and market, trend and momentum. Pullback as soon as the price hit this previous high and at the major resistance level, and that's what I explained to my traders. Time to bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. And afterwards, let's wait for because the price was as the major resistance level, so we need a price action in intraday. So as you can see here, the price developed, double top here. We have this low, so explain to my trader, look for this breakout. Pretty straightforward. That's the way when we look at it, the major resistance and support, we look at the price action. Price nicely developed sideways market. This was the beautiful breakout. As soon as the price broken, price nicely hit, and you can see here, price developed sort of like at the 200 EMA at this level, which is the previous high in 4 hour, develop a double bottom, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how I analyze market and taken the long and short. That's what we do in intraday. But all of the trades has to be a valid technical reason, and keep in mind in the momentum and the bias of 4 hour. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned to you guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. If you are struggling in Forex trading, this is a platform where we train people with the live market in real time through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support, just to make sure they understand how the market works, because my objective is be coaching and training in the real market. So that's why you're going to develop your trading skill, and this virtual platform where you can practice at the same time and you get the feedback at the same time. And once you develop your trading skill, then I love you guys, then I can help you to get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I coach and train traders in real time, how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader and managing funds, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Until next time, all the best.